again, welcome back to the channel. So today we are solving the LeetCode question number 771, Jewels and Stones. So this is also a easy question in this LeetCode. So today we are solving this question. So first of all, understand the problem. So what the problem says here, given a string jewels representing the type of stone that are jewels. Here the string jewels is representing the types of stone which are jewels, and a string of stone is representing the stone you have, and we want to count how many of our stone are jewels. And one more important thing here, the letters are case sensitive, so the capital is not equal to small. So first of all, what will be the approach for solving this question? So we will store all jewels character in an unordered set for pick up one lookup. Then we will iterate over every stone and check if it's in the jewel set, then increment the counter, otherwise not. So hope you understand the approach here. So what will be the algorithm for solving this question? So first of all, we will insert every character from jewels into an unordered set of characters. Then initialize a counter, count is equal to 0. Then for each character in stone, check if it exists in the set or not. If yes, then increment the count, and at last we will return the count. So we will start with the code. What will be the first code in this? So first we will initialize an unordered set, unordered set of character. What will be the character? We will give jewel set. So this will be the, and we will iterate it. We will store the whole value in this from the beginning. Jewels dot begin to jewels dot end. You understand this? Now we will initialize an counter, int count. What will be the initial value is the 0. Now for character as in stones, we will iterate a for loop in the stone. Here is a mistake. Okay. So what will be the condition here? If jewels set dot count, we will see if the S which is the character of stone is present in the Jewel set or not. If yes, then we will increase the count by plus. Okay, and now we will return count. So let's run it first and see if it is. Yes, so this is very simple code here. Hope you understand the full code. If you like this video, please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.